How to clear system storage on Android phone. So if you'd like to do this, you gotta put in mind that you usually can't delete the Android system itself, but you can reduce the storage used by app data, updates, and those kinds of similar stuff. So usually one of the main things you can do is to find a kind of clear or storage cleaner app that is most likely already installed in your phone. If not, you could go ahead into your Play Store and search for a system storage cleaner, and you can find whatever. But most of your Android phones can have a dedicated cleaner directly inside the settings. So go ahead to your phone settings, of course, and go ahead into About Phone. Or if it doesn't work from here, you can go ahead and search for it and search for storage, because it can depend on what kind of phone you have. But go ahead into your phone, About Phone, and go ahead into storage. You'll see how much you have for your apps and data, images, blah blah blah. You can even take a look at whatever that is, but you have the option to clear. You can do a deep clean. That one is a more manual option, and storage refresh if you'd like. So first of all, clear. So pretty much just clear out files and just data that you probably no longer need and most likely no longer need. And you can go ahead and take a look if maybe you really do need this, but just go ahead and press on the clean button, and that pretty much does that part. But if you'd like, you can also go ahead and do the manual cleanup. You can do a deep cleaning. You can take a look at the apps you haven't used. You try installing them if they no longer are needed. But that's pretty much it. Those are a few ways you can try as opposed to clear system storage on your Android phone. So hopefully this video can help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.